So good evening. So I'm myself Pavithra, Assistant Professor, EC Department, SNS College of Engineering, and so in the last video we have learnt what is a wheel network and how the wheel networks are using and what are the applications and what are the advantages of a wheel network, and like that we have seen. And the today classes we are going to see the digital twin technology. It is a case study on the communication networks only. So digital twin technology. So let us see what is the digital twin technology. What is digital twin? It is a virtual prototype of real life object or a product designed to accurately reflect an object. A computer program that uses a real world data to create simulation that can predict how the product or process will perform. So virtual prototype, it is a digital twin is nothing but a virtual prototype of real life object. So it is a product designed to accurately reflect on the object. So this digital twin is like digital, already you know very well. It is digitally we are learning all the digital things is like zeros and ones, and in before and all we will learn about the analog. Analog is nothing but we are taking the analog values and we are going to convert into a digital, and some cases it is in digital. Digital is nothing but zeros and ones. So here we are going to simulate or visualize the prototype of real world object. So the computer program that uses a real world data to create the simulation that can predict how the product process will perform. And what are the types of digital twin? Is product twin, process twin, and system twin. So simulation separates the objects and responsible for the simulation of the process and couples of the entire system. So these are called as types of digital type, digital twins. So digital twins are virtual models of the physical object, process or service, and types of product twin, process twin, and system twin. And product means it is like we know already what is a product, and that it is based on the twin, and the process is nothing but it is processing the thing, and system is like it have an entire system. So it is called as a digital twin. And then how the digital twin created: data collection, modeling, and integration. What is the data collection? Aggregate a variety of data and amount and asset. And modeling, using gathered data and modeling software, a mathematical model is created. The asset is equipped with this sensor and tracking the devices that transmit the data into an IoT platforms. And then what is digital twin function means: physical parameter, historical data, real-time data. So these are all to see, to think, and to do. To see, basic level digital twin, asset monitoring. To think, middle level digital twin, what if is the scenario. And to do, advancement level of digital twin. So this is an digital function, and the mainly it focus on a physical parameter, historical data, and real-time data. And when to use digital twin? The virtual copies can be applied at all the stages of product creation, including design, production, operation, and disposal. At the production stage, the technology helps to achieve the required characteristics of outcome. At the operation stage, this technology copies a specific sample of project in which the twin remains associated throughout the life cycle. At the disposal stage, it is used. And why it is important? Save time and money on design, testing, and then implementing, and then modification of product, system, and process. So the saves the monies and time we already know on the design, and testing is like we have to test it whether it is working or not. And the implementation is like processing and how it is implemented, and then modification of the product, system, and the process. And where digital twins are used: healthcare, smart cities, and space exploitation. Healthcare we already know we are always very conscious on this healthcare system, because we are using a watch, and we are monitoring it. And the smart cities are very well known of this twin use, and the space exploration. And the healthcare potential in the healthcare, and wide range of application like surgery assistant, diagnosis assistant, monitoring the entire clinic, design of medical devices. And then smart cities model, the whole city already exists, Singapore, and improve social infrastructure, enhance city life and proficiency in energy sources. And space exploration, the National Aeronautical and Space NASA test all the equipment first in the virtual environment. These devices are not as manufactured physically until the digital counterpart satisfies all the required characteristics. How big is the digital twin market? According to the market set and the markets, the global digital twin market size was valued at $3.1 billion in 2020, and it is expected to reach $48.2 billion by 2026 with a percentage of 58% during the forecast of period. And what is the future of digital twinning? The digital twinning will emerge as one of the key IT tool in the many industries. Going forward, digital twin will manage as one of the key IT in the many industries. The data will be stored and analyzed. This is called a digital triplet. Every person on the internet have their own digital triplet. And conclusion. So finally we are concluding, the digital twins are the future of the artificial intelligence, machine learning, and also the Internet of Things. These technologies are the toppest and much needed sector. By the year 2024, almost 50% of the world will have implemented this digital twin technology. So I hope you can understand this twin in this and in a communication network, how the digital twin is taking part. And so if you like my video, please like and subscribe and share it. And thank you so much.